Welcome to Naturally.co, Cooking with Diane. I'm going to demonstrate how to make no-cook tomato soup. You're going to start off with half a cup of raw cashews, and if you pre-soak them, they will blend smoother and take less time. However, if you do not have time to soak them, it is fine if you don't pre-soak them. So the key is to putting in a cup of boiling hot water. Then you turn on your blender at high speed. So you want to blend until you have a creamy consistency and it is no longer chunky. And then what you want to do next is you're going to put in your 2 cups of chopped Roma tomatoes. It's around 4 to 5 tomatoes depending on the size. And I use Roma because they have more flesh and you don't have to clean out the seeds on them. And so you put that in with 1 garlic clove, and you want to crush that and add half a teaspoon of onion powder. And the onion powder I'm making is what I made my own. I dehydrated onions and turned it into powder. And we will have another video showing you how to do that with onions and garlic as well. And then I'm going to have my salt, and I have basil. And the ingredients will be below. And you're going to go and you're going to blend that at high speed until it's nice and creamy. So you blend it until it's nice and smooth, and because you use hot water and the friction of the blending, you've created a warm texture and it's ready to eat. So all you have to do is pour it into your bowl, and it makes about 2 servings, and it's delicious. And at this point you could add more seasoning to it if you like black pepper or cayenne pepper or whatever you like in your tomato soup. You can add that at this time and blend it again. What goes perfect with tomato soup? And it's grilled cheese sandwiches. So watch out for another episode. We'll tell you how to make grilled cheese sandwiches in your air fryer. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed this soup and your family will love it. And it's quick and easy, and everything goes together so quick. Just takes a few minutes.